If you've decided that this is the year to buy a home, I know that there are a million questions that go into that one important decision. But one that may not be first to mind as you ponder ranch or two-story near the city, in the suburbs, or beachfront is the matter of homeowners insurance. I can assure you, protecting that beautiful new home of yours is extremely important and definitely essential for all homeowners. Not to mention, it may save you plenty of headaches should something happen down the road. Let's do this. If you are new to my channel, thank you for taking the time out to check it out. I am Lindsay Ashley, Realtor with Keller Williams Realty Select, and I'm so glad that you found me and this video. And you can keep finding me and checking out all of the great videos and content that I'll have for you by taking a quick moment to subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notifications when a new video is live, press that notification bell below. In our time together today, we are going to be going over all the important subjects of homeowners insurance. I've also sat out the expertise of Tracie Robart of the Insurance Man & Company Incorporated, located here in Sarasota, to answer questions you may already be thinking in regards to homeowners insurance. And no, we can't read your mind, or can we? So without further ado, come on. Today, I will be answering some of the most frequently asked questions when it comes to homeowner insurance. Also helping me out with these questions is Tracie Robart of the Insurance Man & Company Incorporated, who has graciously agreed to add some clarity about homeowners insurance and why you need it. That takes us right into the most popular questions we hear. Do I have to get homeowners insurance? Here's what Tracie had to say. If you have a mortgage, reverse mortgage, or any lien holder, they will require you to have an active home insurance policy on your home. If there is no lien on the home, homeowners insurance is not required. If damage occurred to the home and no homeowner insurance is in place, the homeowner would then be responsible for paying any damages. As you can guess, homeowners insurance provides added financial assistance should any covered damage happen to your home, to any additional property, or to your personal belongings. Be sure to know what is and what is not covered under your homeowners insurance policy. Not having homeowners insurance means you will be responsible for paying to repair any damage out of pocket. Should I compare coverages? According to Tracie, if you have never reviewed your policy with your insurance agent, or if you have made improvements to your home, I would suggest contacting your agent to review your coverages. This will ensure you are properly covered. Comparing coverages is beneficial so that you can be confident in knowing that your home is covered with the best policy for you and your property. How do I pay for homeowners insurance? This is a great question because not a lot of first-time homebuyers realize that this can be done in several ways, such as semi-annually or quarterly, even paid in full and through different channels, such as through your lender or an independent insurance company. Tracie sums it up nicely by stating, if you have a mortgage, there is a good chance your insurance may be escrowed in with your mortgage, meaning the lender collects your insurance payments as part of your monthly payments and then pays the insurance upon renewal. If your insurance is not escrowed, then you would pay the insurance directly. You can pay it in full, or the company will offer a payment plan ranging from semi-annually to quarterly, or even more payment options. Keep in mind, the company will charge additional fees if not paid in full. Can we just go for standard homeowners insurance? Again, this comes down to what you want or need from your policy, such as in instances of location or being located in a flood zone. So be sure to discuss these options with your agent. Tracie replies, yes, in Florida, typically your flood insurance is a separate policy. If you are not in a high-risk flood zone, such as A or V, a lender will require the purchase of flood insurance. Also, if you are in a low-risk zone, there are a handful of home insurance companies that offer a flood endorsement rider coverage to be added to the actual home insurance policy. If the home is in a high-risk flood zone, the flood policy must be purchased separately, either through FEMA or a private market flood insurance company, which only became available over the last few years. In most cases, in order to even quote through FEMA, a flood elevation certificate or survey is needed. She also added this follow-up question and answer in regards to coverage and location to break it down even further. Does the location of a home make a difference for insurance? Yes, most companies will give standard rates for a home that is away from coastal waters. And if a home is located within 2 miles of the coast, then insurance companies will either give a higher coastal rate or they may restrict offering coverage. For the barrier islands, not all companies will offer coverage if the home is not on the mainland. However, not to worry, there are companies that offer coverage, but you can expect rates to be higher. Okay, it's time for a message from Well, me. Are you having some light bulb moments as we provide answers and to explain all the aspects of homeowners insurance? If so, yes. I mean, that is the point of the video after all. And if you're digging in the information being so ever graciously provided to you, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips and knowledge regarding all things real estate. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so you're never in the dark. Okay, let's get back to it and wrap up this video with our next frequently asked question. What if I can't find coverage? This is another crucial question and one you should speak to an agent about if you are unable to find coverage. According to Tracie, there are some cases where someone cannot obtain homeowner insurance through the regular marketplace due to a roof age or lack of updates. In this case, there may be an alternative insurance options through what is called surplus markets. The rates tend to be higher, and depending on the insurance, it may not be accepted by a lender. Again, Tracie provided a more in-depth look at the age and condition of the roof in regards to insurance coverage because she's awesome like that. Does the age of my roof or the condition of my roof make a difference? Tracie says absolutely. Every company has its own guidelines for eligibility due to roof age. Insurance companies have different age guidelines for a flat roof, shingle roof, and tile roofs. If the age of the roof does not fit within their eligibility guidelines, they will not offer coverage. For homes built prior to 2002, an inspection called a wind mitigation inspection will be needed to confirm the age of the roof, and it is also important for credits on the insurance. The wind mitigation inspection is the biggest driver of the rate and credits associated with the insurance, which is very important. Furthermore, beyond age, if the roof has issues such as leaking, missing tiles, shingles, warping, or curling, and then an insurance company will either deny coverage or cancel a policy upon post-inspection. All of these things come up when we are trying to sell a home or buy a home. And usually, if you're working with me, I try to get your roof covered and replaced before the home closes. Not always, but there are other ways to get that credit in. And finally, Tracie added a bonus question and answer for us. Let's take a look. If you have an older home, do updates make a difference for insurance? Tracie explains yes. Most companies will want to see updates to a home at 40 years old, and all companies will want to see updates to a home 50 years or older. There is an insurance inspection called a 4-point inspection that is typically required for a company's underwriting review. The 4 points they will review are roof, plumbing and water heater, electrical, and air conditioning. They will want to see when the last updates were made, the condition, useful remaining life. Typically they want about 5 years left, and they also want color photos. Each company has its own eligibility guidelines. Some companies will want to see some updates where other companies will want to see full updates. Well, I don't know about you, but I feel super knowledgeable now about homeowners insurance. Okay, so I knew most of this before, but it's because it's my job to know and be able to guide my clients through the process of homeownership. And having the assistance today of a licensed insurance agent was just the cherry on top. So do you have any other questions in regards to homeowner insurance that weren't addressed today? Was there a question that you thought, yes, that makes sense, or maybe something you weren't sure of before that was clarified today? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you and being able to connect. A huge thank you again to Tracie Robart with the Insurance Man and Company Incorporated for helping me out with this video. Such a fun collaboration. I will have Tracie's contact information in the description below should you wish to reach out to her for your insurance needs. That's it from me today, and as always, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel where you can find videos released each week focused on all things real estate here in sunny Sarasota. And if you'd like to search for local properties, please visit my website, lindsayashley.com. Until next time, bye.